Welcome to 108 East 91st Street, apartment 9C. This is a designer renovated 1-bedroom, 1-bath in Carnegie Hill on the Upper East Side. Every single part of this apartment has been renovated to the utmost standards. It also is very bright with open city views. This is east, so of course you're getting very direct sun. Kitchen is also windowed, facing east. This entire wall is custom cabinetry. We have the refrigerator, freezer, sink, more cabinets, Carrara marble, stove and range. The floor is wide plank oak with the sound reducing level underneath it. Recessed lighting, very unusual in a pre-war apartment. 2 large closets here, all custom with built-ins. The bathroom also renovated, as was everything. And look at this floor-to-ceiling shower curtain, very unusual. But when you look behind, this is a window here, and very nice tiling fixtures in the bathroom. And then finally, the corner bedroom, which faces east and south. Just lovely open views. Very high ceilings, of course, beamed. This wall is custom camel hair, which is really lovely. Bright, light, and completely redone to the very highest standards. So this is 108 East 91st Street, apartment 9C.